Namaskar.
I am Munindita Joshi.
And I, Harit Mangal.
Our students of Bharati Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram Pratapnagar. We have conceptualized an idea and brought it to life as Ostif. As we all know that India is a developing country and more than 50% of India's population is indulged in farming but contributes only 15 to 16% in GDP. Why does this happen?
The techniques used for the farmers require a lot of hard work, and some techniques that use chemical components also cause adversing effects on the health of the farmer. Thus, keeping this all in mind, we have made an innovative and scary project, the Ostif.
Ostif is a multi-purpose and intelligent scarecrow. Our aim while making the project was that how to solve the problems related to the agriculture sector, as most of our population is indulged in it.
Hence, Ostif would not only help in farming, but also help the farmer in his other endeavors, like keeping an eye on the farm, help in irrigation, and also provide backup storage.
Ostif will watch over the farm and would share the live view of the farm digitally. It is also capable to record and give an alarming sound when it detects any motion. It also makes the command by the farmer audible through it. It helps in irrigation and spraying fertilizers. Its body is designed as a combination of 3 wooden boxes that works as a storage.
It also has a microcontroller named Node MCU. It gets connected to an application through IoT. The application shows the current location of Ostif and also has selected to select the type of crop and the type of pest. The type of pest and the data about the crop gets updated according to the crop selected. And there is also a table that shows the requirement for a crop to grow properly, like the moisture and temperature required.
With the help of soil moisture sensor, Ostif can measure the optimum moisture level of the soil according to the crop selected and can switch on or off the pump accordingly. The automatic watering system can be switched off by the app and can be used manually.
It also has a GPS or GNSS to track Ostif if stolen. It also produces frequencies with the help of a pest repellent and repels the selected pest, and the sound produced will be ultrasonic, thus it will not cause sound pollution, and these sound will not kill those pests, thus they will not affect the environment, and all this circuit is powered by solar panels.
The mass production of Ostif would help in reducing its cost. Thus, the farmer would be able to install more than one on his farm for better output. It was also a scope of modification by using AI and ML. It can also be used as a big data collecting source by using different sensors.
Ostif would help to save time and labor, reduce the use of chemical components, help in maintaining the farmer's health, and also increasing overall agriculture and income. Thank you.